Hi, I'm Keith Christensen. I teach graphic design in the art department here at St. Cloud State University. I worked on this project here at the library with my students. The students are studying systems design, and we've decided to work with the librarians to develop a game using QR codes. And the idea is to somehow address this problem, defining the problem as library anxiety and other problems with communication that we discussed with the librarians, the staff here, and the students came up with solutions to how they perceive the problems. The students worked in 3 teams, and they developed their ideas that had to address the problem in some kind of game format. And what the students did was develop all kinds of communication, graphic design elements that would help users or learners or participants in the program find ways to engage with the library, learn different aspects of the benefits of being in the library, and maybe helping them understand and feel good about being in the library. The 3 games differed, and one solution was to have the game start outside of the library so that it would be a way of bringing in students who weren't here at the library. They may be, for instance, in the business college or in the art department, and it was a way of inviting this specific audience into the library to find more about art books, for example, or find out where different magazines are in the circulation area. So part of it was finding out about the books or learning about the facilities and the services of the library. We were fortunate to have Mike Haig, who's a professional game designer and creative, working at places such as Best Buy and other high-level advertising companies. So he brought with him his advice, and he served as our consultant. And we had the teams work on different ideas for the project. You know, what was really valuable for the students was to see this as a real process in how they would use their skills as designers. They assumed that they were part of a design team. My role as a faculty member was to serve as the design director. We had a consultant, but we also had clients. So the library staff served as the people who had the problem and who saw what the resources were and saw, maybe some of the need. And our students had to understand that and try to address it. Our role was to be on the side of the people with the problem, the people in the library. And we had to ask ourselves as designers, how can we help deal with this problem? How can we help this client, these people, and make things better? And that's how we approached it. And it was so much fun. I think I had more fun than anybody else.